Welcome to another week in Chainlink News. We have a lot of exciting news for you, including a massive partnership between Protocol Labs and Chainlink Labs. Let's dig in. Okay, first we are going to look at a video from Sergey on the Chainlink YouTube channel, basically covering what needs to be solved for Web3 to reach 1 billion users. What are the challenges? Let's go ahead and watch a little bit of this now.
So there are three fundamental challenges: scalability and the ability to process transactions at the speeds, at the low cost, and in the volumes that web systems do today. Because that speed, that low cost, and that volume is already the baseline requirement of many application creators and their users. Then there's connectivity and the ability to ingest and process and securely and reliably use all other systems. Those other systems can be blockchains, those other systems can be data sources, those other systems can be AI, compute. But in the web world, you can combine and string together a huge amount of different resources. Netflix, Uber, all these advanced applications people use on a daily basis, they're actually made up of hundreds, sometimes thousands of separate microservices that are all combined, and all of them play unique different roles around data, around compute, around connectivity. And so what you need is a connectivity layer and an orchestration layer to allow all of those different things to work together and to connect into blockchains, which is the initial main thing that Chainlink is doing, and is kind of excelling at.
Okay, we hope you enjoyed the video and learned a lot. It'll be linked in the description. Next, we are going to look at a press release from Paxos, with Paxos adopting the Chainlink PayPal-USD price feed. So the price feed for the stablecoin PayPal-USD in order to accelerate the tokenized real-world economy. So PayPal launched their stablecoin around maybe almost a year ago at this point, and now Chainlink supports the stablecoin price feed on Ethereum mainnet, and Paxos is going to be utilizing that because they mention, Chainlink is high quality data, secure operators, it's a decentralized network, among other things. And there's a quote here from the chief business officer at Chainlink Labs, as well as another quote from the senior director of stablecoin partnerships at Paxos. They're just saying how they're so excited to partner together and real-world assets of the future, and some exciting times. Then Chainlink reshared one of their blog posts about multi-chain. So if you're not familiar with what the multi-chain is, go ahead and check out that blog post. It just refers to the growing ecosystem of hundreds of blockchains that exist. As we know, Ethereum layer 2s are growing. There's dozens of Ethereum layer 2s, probably soon to be hundreds. There's also dozens of layer 1 blockchains like Avalanche, Solana, and more. And this encompasses the multi-chain, so you want to make sure you understand it. Also, another blog post was shared by Chainlink, and it's how to tokenize an asset, a step-by-step guide. And it basically just covers, if you want to tokenize an asset, you're basically creating a digital representation as a token on a blockchain. And it goes on to say how that's a $16 trillion business opportunity by 2030, and Chainlink is obviously one of the pioneers here. And next, we're going to be looking at Protocol Labs, who has formed a strategic alliance with Chainlink Labs to support promising startups. Now, a strategic alliance is sort of the highest level of partnership that exists among businesses. It's when they are going to work together strategically over a very long period of time with a shared vision on usually very important things. And as you guys know, which we always say on this channel, the Chainlink Build Program is a program that allows early stage startups to work with the Chainlink Labs team in order to get support for growing their brand. And now Protocol Labs is joining the actual advisors in the Chainlink Build Program. So if you're a startup and you join the Chainlink Build Program, you now are going to get advice from both Protocol Labs and Chainlink Labs. And we're talking about engineering support, workshops and attendance at different events, office hours with researchers and mentors, storage credits, additional talent in their network, and other community events. Now, Protocol Labs is the ones who built IPFS, which is decentralized storage of sorts, as well as Filecoin, which is its own blockchain for long-term data storage, competing with the big clouds, libp2p, which is a communication layer inside of blockchain networks and many other systems. And so Protocol Labs is one of the big boys, and this is huge. A lot of founders are going to want to join the Chainlink Build Program to get this kind of support. Next, we have news from EigenPie that they're integrating CCIP, Chainlink's cross-chain protocol, for cross-chain liquid staking. EigenPie, or the Pi name here, Pi is a project that deploys a lot of different products, honestly, and teams, and it seems like they're building something new all the time. This time they did something called EigenPie, and it's to facilitate cross-chain transfers of LRTs, liquid restaking tokens. If you're not familiar with EigenLayer and liquid restaking tokens, you're definitely going to want to Google that and learn. EigenLayer is probably the most important thing happening in all of crypto right now. Then we also have Dippius. They also integrated with Chainlink CCIP, and that's to allow cross-chain NFT transfers. It says here that they are on multiple chains, Ethereum, BNB, Avalanche, and Base. And so they want to work with Chainlink to get the cross-chain transfers done. That's exciting, more adoption. And then finally, the cross-chain aggregator Concero joined the Chainlink Build Program. Again, we just talked about this, but Concero is joining that program. And so they are going to get industry-leading support from Chainlink Labs, and now also from Protocol Labs. And that's all for this week. If you enjoy Chainlink news and you want to see more of it, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next week.